Hello friends, is your cruise control refusing to cancel when you press the button or brake pedal? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0569, this means there's an issue with the cruise control cancel signal. This can make it dangerous if your cruise control doesn't disengage properly while driving. In this video, I'll explain what P0569 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0569? The P0569 code stands for Cruise Control Cancel Signal Malfunction. Your cruise control should turn off when you press the brake, clutch, manual cars, or the cancel button. If the PCM, Powertrain Control Module, doesn't detect the right signal from these controls, it triggers P0569. This can cause the cruise control to stay engaged longer than it should, creating a safety risk. Common symptoms of P0569. Cruise control does not turn off when pressing the cancel button. Brake or clutch pedal doesn't disengage. Cruise control check engine light, CL, is on. Cruise control disengages randomly, or doesn't engage at all. If you're experiencing these problems, let's find the faulty component. To diagnose P0569, check these key components. Cruise control cancel button. Location, on the steering wheel, usually near the cruise control buttons. Brake pedal position sensor. Location, mounted near the brake pedal arm, under the dashboard. Clutch pedal position sensor for manual cars. Location, near the clutch pedal, detects when the clutch is pressed. Clock spring steering column. Wiring for cruise control. Location, inside the steering column, behind the steering wheel. PCM Powertrain Control Module. Location, usually in the engine bay or under the dashboard, processes cruise control signals. Wiring and connectors. Location, running from the steering wheel buttons, brake sensor and clutch sensor to the PCM. Tip, if other steering wheel buttons like horn or volume also stop working, a faulty clock spring might be the problem. Common causes of P0569 faulty cruise control cancel button. The button is worn out or not sending the signal to cancel cruise control. Defective brake pedal position sensor. PCM doesn't detect the brake being pressed and doesn't cancel cruise control. Broken or worn clock spring. Interrupts communication between steering wheel buttons and PCM. Faulty clutch pedal position sensor for manual cars. Cruise control fails to disengage when the clutch is pressed. Wiring issues or corrosion. Broken or loose wires stop the cancel signal from reaching the PCM. PCM ECU malfunction, rare, but if the PCM can't process the cancel signal, it may trigger P0569. How to fix P0569. Step 1, use an obd2 scanner to confirm P0569 and check for related codes. Step 2, test the cruise control cancel button with a multimeter. If it doesn't work, replace it. Step 3, inspect the brake pedal position sensor. If pressing the brake doesn't cancel cruise control, replace the sensor. Step 4, check the clutch pedal position sensor for manual cars. If cruise control won't cancel when pressing the clutch, replace it. Step 5, inspect the clock spring if other steering wheel buttons aren't working. Step 6, check wiring and connectors near the brake and clutch pedals for loose or corroded connections. Step 7, reset the PCM and test the cruise control system after repairs. Ignoring P0569 can be dangerous. If your cruise control doesn't cancel when needed, it can create unsafe driving conditions. Fixing it early keeps your car safe and functional. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0384, Glow Plug Control Module Performance. P0385, Crankshaft Position Sensor B Circuit Malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.